Alright guys, this is how to know your chord inversions on the key of C. So you already know that this is your Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do on key C. So what is chord inversion? It simply means rearranging your notes, you understand, to better harmonize your songs. You see, for your Do, this is your Do, your root chord. So if you invert it, this is C, E, and your G. Hope you're following. So if you invert it, this C will come up here. Hope you're getting it. You now remove your hand. It will now be E, G, C. It's still the same chord, but in different formats. Instead of C, E, G, it is now E, G, and C. That's the first inversion. Hope you're following. So the second inversion, we now invert this E. Hope you're following. Invert this very E to here. You remove your hand. It will now be G, your C, and your E. So all together you will get this your Do, also your Do, first inversion, second inversion. Hope you now understand it. I'll do for all the chords. So this is your Re, which is your D, your F, and your A. So if you invert this D, you will now get, you see what you get. Instead of C, instead of D, F, and A, it will now be your F, your A, and your D. F, A, and D. That's the first inversion, which is your Re. So the second one, you invert this F to here. You now remove your hand. It will now be A, D, and your F. Hope you got it. So all together you now get hope you got it. So your Mi is your Mi. Originally is your E, your G, and your B. So if you invert this E, to now get this, you now remove your hand here, to now be G, B, and your E. That's your Mi. That's the first inversion. So the second inversion, you invert this G to here. I remove your hand, it will not be so all together you get is your Mi. Hope you're following. This your Mi, you invert it. It's also your Mi, you invert it. Also your Mi. So I've now done Do, Re, Mi. So this is your Fa. Your Fa, which is same thing as your F chord. If you play the F. So this is your F, your A, and your C. That's your Fa. Also your 4 with the number pattern. So if you invert it, you now get, instead of F, A, and C, you now get A, C, and F. That's the first inversion. So the second inversion, you invert this to here. You now get So all together you get fa, fa, fa. So the next is your saw. If you invert this, which is your G, no, the original chord is your G, your B, and your D is your saw. If you invert this, you will not get as the first inversion, your saw. So the second inversion, you invert this B. To now be your D, your G, and your B. So next is your La, which is your A, your D, A, your C, and your E. So if you invert it, you invert this A to here, you now get, that's your La. That's the first inversion. So the second inversion, you invert this C, you now get. Hope you're following. So all together you get so next is your T. Original is your B, your D, and your F. If you invert this B to now be your D, your F, and your B. That's the first inversion. So the second inversion, you invert this D to here, and you now get your still your T. So all together you get then La, your Do. So that's your so that's it. This is how to know your chord inversion. You can use these inversions for your worship, to harmonize your worship. See, this is something now. So that's it. Hope you understood it. So in my next tutorial, I'll do a tutorial on the F. How to know your chord inversions or your F. So thank you guys. Goodbye for now. See you in my next tutorial.